Okay, this is the project we're working on today. Something I've been waiting on for a while. It is in my hoop house because we weren't going to be able to swing that right now, but it's still pretty cool. Let me get over there and I'll show you what's going on. All these pieces are going to hopefully come up and in the end be a greenhouse. I'll show you the cover. It's still rolled up. That's the cover all rolled up. It's hard to see what it's going to look like in the end, but we'll see. It's definitely pretty strong. It's like reinforced webbing, so hopefully that'll be a plus. Alright, more as we go. There certainly are a million pieces. Probably going to take us a couple hours to go through all the pieces to make sure we get everything. I'll check in a little while. Got it a little bit further along. I guess you guys can see what it's going to be. Well, at least almost. It's got another set of legs to go on it still. But it's getting there. I'll take another one in a few more minutes. Starting to take shape. Very exciting. I'll come back. Getting a little bit closer, as you can see. Starting to put on some of the supports because the basic frame is now built, or almost complete finish it will be in the next couple minutes, and then all the supports will go on. I'll check back in a little while and show you how it's going. Just tighten everything up now. All the pieces are on, everything just needs to get tightened up, and then the next step is going to be to move it over to where it's going, right next to the garden, and then to put the cover on it. So that's what's going on. I'll be back in a little bit and show you how that goes. Okay, we get it to where we want it. It's right up next to the garden. There's just a little bit of space in between. We covered with landscape fabric. So the stakes that they gave us with the greenhouse are junk. They're not going to work. So we're going to go and get some heavy-duty hold-downs like we used on the portable garage, or what we call our sheds, to put in there, because I know it gets pretty darn windy here, so that's what we're going to do. Hopefully next time when I come back, hopefully we'll be putting on the cover. I'm not quite sure yet, but we got a bunch of stuff to do on the ground before we get the cover up. Alright, I'll be back. This is I didn't get over here in time so that I could video the cover going on, but the cover went up pretty darn quick. The two guys just muscled it right on over. So there it is. Now we have to get the cover over and all secured. What we ended up doing to secure it to the ground was we took 3-foot long steel rods and or actually we drove them. They were longer than 3 feet, but we drove them a little more than 3 feet into the ground, and the frame was bolted to those steel rods, so that should be more than enough to hold it down. So I'll get back to you in a little bit. I'm going to go and help them tie everything down, and I'll probably take you on a tour or something like that in a little bit. I'll be back. Alright, so here it is, finished putting up. We haven't finished the inside, that'll be the next project, but I'm gonna, if I can walk without it being too shaky, try to show you inside. It has the back and the front opens, and all along the sides there's windows that roll up, and when they're down they Velcro down tight. That's pretty cool. And we'll go see the inside. It's pretty big. It's 13 by 33. This is the inside. It's pretty cool. There's the windows. Walk you on through. Show you from the other side. The end doors roll up, and then they go down and they zip.